Hello everyone, my name is Larry. Welcome to join Hytera Industry Solution part. Today my topic is Hytera PMR solution for oil and gas industry. This slide can be divided into three parts. The first part will show the challenge and the trend in oil and gas. The second part will introduce Hytera solution for each sector in oil and gas. And last, we will share some reference. Generally speaking, there are four main challenges in oil and gas. The first one is energy conservation and pollution emission reduction. The second one is oil price fluctuate, how to produce oil and gas on demand. The third one is that the well, which is easy to get oil and gas, is already tapped out, how to get a new and easy one. The last one is operational cost is high for almost oil and gas company. So how to solve this kind of issue when we are facing this challenge? The industry concentrates 3 points: improve the quality, increase the efficiency, and reduce the cost. As we know, the change in oil and gas is informationized, automate, and intelligentized. All these changes are based on different ICT technology with digitalization, such as wireless, IoT, ground, big data, AI, and other new technology and materials. Follow this trend. The main oil and gas company in the world also have their own definition and plan about digitalization, such as Shell, BP, Chevron, and CNPC. Hytera also have the same voice about digital twin to show that everything in physical world can be reflected in the digital world to see what happened. Then, to understand why did it happen, prepare what will happen and could be self-optimized. There are different telecom solutions for different sectors of oil and gas, from oil exploration, onshore, offshore oil production, pipeline, refinery, and data center, such as PMR network, microwave, WiMAX, LTE, Wi-Fi, and so on. So, what is Hytera's solution for different sectors in oil and gas? Then we will go to the second part, Hytera solution overview. As we know, the oil and gas industry could be divided into 3 sectors. Upstream include oil exploration and production. Midstream includes the pipeline and storage. And downstream includes the refinery and the sale. Then we will introduce the solution one by one. For the exploration, the team go outside with mobile operation, far away from city without public network coverage. And the team need to communicate within 30 to 50 kilometers in hazardous environment. So Hytera proposed this AT-Hawk solution consisting of portable EPAC, iMesh, and eCenter, which also could be equipped with satellite transmission to headquarters if necessary. All the equipment is fast deployment to save the time and easy operation to improve the efficiency. For the production and the pipeline, the requirement are similar, such as no public network coverage or the coverage is poor, without efficient monitoring, and fiber is not available everywhere in hazardous environment. There are some solutions we can propose here. The first, we can propose voice solution for customer daily management and patrol. It consists of narrowband base station, broadband base station, transmission network, different intrinsically safe terminal, and base station auxiliary equipment. Especially in the area far away from suburban, there is no commercial electric, and Hytera could propose the low power consumption base station with big coverage, which also supports solar power and backup battery. The second solution is mobile office, which uses Hytera dual mode terminal with industry apps installation. The terminal could be used for critical voice communication in narrowband network coverage, and for data application in broadband network coverage. What is important with Hytera technical support and product customization, the apps could keep working in narrowband coverage for some critical data transmission. Then, to improve the working efficiency for all the frontline operator. In some cases, if one oil field company has an oil pumping unit far away from suburban, just with PMR network coverage, no public network coverage, and some oil pumping unit in suburban just with public network coverage and without PMR network coverage. then Hytera can propose high-torque Pro solution with dual-mode terminal or the third-part intrinsically safe terminal. With this low-cost and convergent solution, customer can have one network experience for high-efficient communication. The next one is a SCADA solution. As we know, in order to improve the monitoring efficiently, there are some critical data in the pumping unit and along the pipeline, which need to be transmitted to control center, such as electrical voltage, electrical current, oil pressure, temperature, and also the pumping load. Hytera can provide the transmission pipe from RTU Morton transmission network, SCADA gateway for this kind of application. This is a real case we did in Africa for SCADA application. Hytera proposed outdoor base station, microwave, solar power, SCADA modem, and base station auxiliary for customer. The IoT solution have similar function as SCADA to transmit the critical data from pumping unit. And Hytera also can provide IoT solution include LoRa gateway, ITM, to connect sensor and application center. In case of emergency, Hytera can provide our emergency solution together with Geo and intrinsically safe terminal. This communication vehicle equipped with ad hoc product could be existed in an explosion-proof area to set up a temporary network for efficient communication and monitoring. Here, we summarize the solution highlight. The first one is low power consumption to save cost for maintenance. Big coverage base station for low capacity investment. The third one is high reliability for mission critical voice and data transmission. And we also have the full range intrinsical safe terminal. The last one is convergence and compatibility. It means Hytera solution is convergent within one platform and compatible with different systems. The next part is for refinery. In refinery company, customers face four main challenges, such as poor coverage in some bright area, and customers have different systems which need to be integrated together for unified communication. The GPS signal is flowing in steel structure to cause inaccurate positioning. The last one is the operational environment is harsh and noise. So the first solution we propose is the voice solution, consisting of different trunking system, intrinsically safe terminal, and some other applications such as dispatch and voice recording. The coverage could be expanded to the point area with Hytera BDA and fixed radio, and the trunking system can be integrated with PA, PSTN network for one network experience. Hytera voice solution could provide completed voice feature and offer highest availability service for efficient communication, and also support different level redundancy for high reliability. The next one is positioning solution. Hytera can provide end-to-end positioning solution include explosion-proof beacon node, positioning tech, positioning base station and server. With this solution, the location for staff, visitor, and any asset could be monitored real time to improve the management efficiency, and the beacon node and positioning tech could support long-time operation for low OPEX. The last part, we will share some typical case. Till now, Hytera serves 80% of top 30 oil and gas companies in the world. The first one is Transneft in Russia, a state-owned company to maintain the pipeline for the whole Russia. Oil and gas pipeline transportation is also a complex system. The safe and smooth operation of pipeline is related to the overall production of the upstream and midstream and downstream. Since 2015, with the joint effort of Hytera and the local partner, Transneft select Hytera at last to provide DMR trunking system with full redundancy for daily communication. The next one is from Kazakhstan. China-Asia gas pipeline is the longest natural gas pipeline all over the world, which is from the border of Turkmenistan to China. And Hytera provides DMR system with a whole network redundancy design and intrinsically safe terminal for customer daily operation. The next one is from Oman PDO. PTO is responsible for over 90% of Oman's oil product. Hytera provides Hytera system with redundancy, different intrinsically safe terminal, and some other application. The next one is KMPC. KMPC is also the national oil refining company in Kuwait, responsible for the sale and distribution of all petroleum products in the local market. Hytera provides PMR network for KMPC for daily efficient operation. The next one is Saudi Aramco. As we know, this company is one of the largest companies in the world by revenue, and Hytera provides Hytera and DMR system for the group. In one case, Hytera customized special Hytera product to help customers to solve the problem of short-range coverage and limited frequency resource. The last one is CNPC in China. As we know, CNPC is one of 3 largest oil and gas companies in China, and Hytera cooperated with CNPC to provide different solutions from oil exploration, pipeline, and refinery. For this case, if you want to know more detailed information, please contact our marketing department. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.